So to talk in front of the camera has been one of the most awkward things I have ever come across. And that is one thing that stopped me from creating video content for so many years. If you go back and look at the history of my channel, I started making YouTube videos about 5-ish years ago. Every year I would make 1 or 2 videos and then I would give up. And I found it really weird for a very long time until now I started to figure out my process. And about figuring out the process, what it means is you have to keep doing it over and over again until you find out what is your procedure, what works for you, what are your weaknesses, and how you can fix it. So if you're someone who has same kind of emotions, you're also an introvert, you don't like talking in the camera, or you don't like to hear your old self, I'll share with you some of the tips that I have started to do for myself, and maybe is going to help you or someone watching this video as well. The first thing I will talk about is something that I ran away from for a very long time. It really helps so much if you start writing what you want to talk about. A lot of times what was happening with me, that I was in front of the camera, I hit record, I had the lights on, everything is going. When I start to deliver the message, I would just jumble things up. I would just mix things up and I would just make myself sound so horrible. I realized that if I have a written script, and by script, I don't mean that you have to write a full-on book, but if you have some bullet points written, it will really help you to know what you will be talking about. Now that you're done with your script, the next thing you can start doing is your voiceovers. This is another thing that I didn't realize. Everything that you want to say in your video, you don't have to record it in front of the camera. With doing voiceover, you can actually remove a lot of pressure from yourself because you are not really facing the camera. You just have to speak and have some B-roll on top of it where you are doing something else or something related to what you're talking about. And that will really remove half of the pressure from you because you know you are not speaking in the camera. You don't have to have the whole video of you staring in the lens. The other really interesting trick that I learned from MKBHD's masterclass, and he makes amazing tech videos. I think one of the biggest YouTubers when it comes to tech videos. And he had a really interesting masterclass where he shared a really simple trick. And that is that when we are talking to the camera, it just feels really strange, like you're literally talking to a camera in an empty room. So he explained a really nice trick that you can actually take a sticky note and draw an emoji on top of the sticky note, put it on top of your camera, and it kind of tricks your brain to feel like you're talking to a human being or like a friend rather than talking to the camera. But most importantly, what helps me, and which I'm doing right now, is having a little bit of script. So you can see that I've got my laptop next to me. When I started to watch my own videos, and especially when I was editing those videos, I realized that there were a lot of these weird silence gaps. So if you have some sort of audio background track running under your entire video, it kind of fills those weird, awkward silence gaps as well. It also kind of makes you sound a lot more like cohesive with the overall video rather than just you talking in the background. The other last thing I'm going to share with you is something a lot more personal. And I think this is something, it's so important, especially if you are new to YouTube. And that is what you give is what you get. When you comment under a new YouTuber's video who has like 100 subscribers or 200 subscribers, each comment that you do means so much to them. It means a lot for a new YouTuber to receive even one single comment. You support someone else and others supporting you, that makes a really nice ecosystem. So what you give is what you get. So if you are good in the community and you give out to the community will give back to you as well. If you are someone who is new on this journey, and you see other people who are also new on this journey, support them and they'll support you back. I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you did enjoy it, and if you find anything useful about it, let me know in the comment section below. If you like my channel, you can subscribe. If you don't, that's all right. But make sure that you let me know if you've got any other ideas that can help me as well. Have a good day. I'll see you in another video.